देखो ये अपने आप ही ओपन करके खा लेता है गाइस. I don't think you can see how steep this climb. Guys, beware of snakes here also, and even in life. Guys, guys starting the vlog late क्योंकि शूट करना भूल गई थी. And yes, so this is the first day of ours in Wayanad. So yes, backstory के लिए you can watch the short because I have taken only some few clips, so I'll show you that. So right now we are at Banasagara Dam, Banasura Sagar Dam, sorry. So yeah, we'll show you around. Guys, so हमको चढ़ के उधर जाना है ऊपर. So we are walking now. There was van facility available, but then that was taking around 25 minutes, and there is zip line here, which I want to do. So yes, let's see. So guys, we've reached at the top. So yeah, this is the view. See, that is how much we climbed and came here. Super tired. Guys, beware of snakes here also, and even in life. Look at the lake, guys, so pretty. So guys, there are these cute swings over here. Can you see? So nice, right? I am thinking I'll sit on one because, but pata nahi when will my turn come. Let's see.
Guys, so here is she, the vlogger. She's struggling to ride it and she's very scared. So yeah, I mean now she has got the rhythm, and let us see what will happen. And yeah, she's doing some shit, okay? I don't know really. Kai bol. She's nonchalant, leave.
Then we left for the next place, and these were some tiny little shops outside, so you can buy anything if you want to. So guys, came to our next location, that is the Honey Museum. So it's something very unique. I've never seen a honey museum, or anything related to honey, whereas it is said that honey is so good and all that. So I am very excited. Can you stop bombing? So I'm very excited to see how it is. So guys, we have reached, और ये इतना cute है, इतना ज़्यादा. Wait, it is not seen in camera yet. आने दो, दिखाती हूँ. So it is so cute. Look at that honeybee cutie, and the design, obviously it looks so good. Let's see how it is. I don't know, it looks pretty small. इधर children play area भी है, but अफसोस no children except this guy. But he is also not counted, I feel. Look at this spot, it is so cute. So there are various types of honeys here. Look at this.
कैसे मिलता है सब आपको बाद में अंदर बताएगा, नहीं तो फिर लेते होगा, आपको भी लेते होगा. सिद्रानी अपन कश्मीर से कल करता है. इनका प्रीमियम मनी सिद्रानी, विटामिन मिनरल्स पूरा भरा हुआ है. लिवर सिरोसिस, प्रेगनेंसी लेडी, यूरिन इन्फेक्शन, हार्ट पेशेंट, शुगर पेशेंट को भी खा सकते हैं. सुक्रोज कंटेंट बहुत कम है. सिदर बोल के ये झाड़ है.
So guys, apparently Wayanad is very famous for handicrafts and wood stuff and all that. So you can see there is so much of that. Then it is very special. Very famous for herbs and spices and tea. So this is that tea section, and then there is spices section on the other side. There are pickles and all that. So this is a part of the honey museum. See, there are shampoos as well, like honey with neem and all that, because honey is very good for everything. So yeah, let's go to processing plant. So this is the plant. We were seeing all the life cycle of a honeybee and stuff because they had made it that way. Then they had also made a separate section on stingless honey. So these are small honeybees. So these, what you see right here, are stingless honeys, which are different. Then this is how to take care and all that. So guys, all of these honeys have various different benefits. So there are Sidr honey, then Black Forest honey, and there is forest honey from Wayanad itself, then mustard, ajwain. There are many different types of honeys over here. So each of them have a specific property to them, and this depends upon which flower the bee has gone and collected the nectar. So that is what gives it the characteristic properties. So there are various types of honeys over here. And we tasted around 7 types of honeys, and all of them tasted very different because obviously the nectar is different from for each flower. So that is, I think, I love that experience. So yeah, it is worth a visit. It is really nice and loved it. So we're going to Ennuru. It's an artificial tribal village kind of a thing. So we have sat in the jeep. Guys, we have come to Ennuru. This is the peak. Itna sundar hai. Just look at this. Guys, some more scenic views for you all. New vlogger in town. So we have to climb up again. So I don't really know what exactly it is, but we'll see. तो गाइस फिर से ऊपर चढ़ना है और हम बहुत थक गए हैं. So and I don't know what this Ennuru is exactly. I think it's kind of an artificial village or tribal village what they have made. So we are gonna see that. There is also a cafeteria over here. Okay, anyways, so we'll see and we'll show you also. So guys, this is a tribal heritage village. See, and the view is literally insane. Let me show it to you guys. So good. Can you see that? My god. And then that side you can see all the cloudy stuff. It looks so beautiful. See, look at that. It's very foggy right now also because it is rainy season, so because of that there is more fog here, and that is why it looks even more beautiful. And you know, it's very cool also, so that is one good thing. हम और भी ऊपर जा रहे हैं guys. I don't know ऊपर क्या है. We'll go and see. Look at the amount of fog that has developed since I showed you guys the first clip. I don't know what happened. In half an hour there is too much fog and we can't see anything now. That's the point. So yeah guys, so I don't know if you can see it, but this is the actual tribal village. Matlab, we'll go down there. Idhar se jana hai. Then we'll go there. We'll show you from there also. So as this is the actual village and it looks so pretty. See the nazara. Abhi thoda fog has also reduced. Dhoop aa rahi hai. So it looks so good. This guy has eaten my head. Please. And then we saw all the artifacts related to the tribal people. There were their weapons, then the baskets that they make, and all of that. So you can see that here. Then we went to Pokago Lake, which I couldn't shoot. So that is where we are heading to. And then at night we went for dinner to this place called Kebab Shack.
The next day.
So guys, we are going towards Edakal Caves, and it's like a crazy trek kind of a thing. Can you see? I don't think you can see how steep this climb is. The camera is not capturing it, but it is very, very steep. तो गाइज आज हम वापस भी जा रहे हैं to home. So we just thought of visiting some places in the morning. Oh god, this is too steep, but the view is very good. Guys, this road is never ending. I don't know when will it come. थक गए भाई. गाइस फाइनली इधर से टिकट लेके हम घुस गए हैं, पर पता नहीं और कितना ऊपर चढ़ना है. पीपल आर सेइंग इट्स नॉट वर्थ द व्यू, बट आई डोंट नो, वी आर स्टिल गोइंग. गाइस अभी और इतना चढ़ना है. सी वे इन, सो वी आर गोइंग अप. इट इज वेरी मच क्राउडेड. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. Guys, kudos to that auntie. She has climbed so much. Just look at her. Oh my god. She must be so brave. And it is still not ending. It's literally like a trek. See guys, that is the cave where everybody is going. So we'll go there. अभी इधर से there is line. उतना घूम के फिर इधर जाना. गाइस आ गए फाइनली केव्स में. It looks very nice though. We have to get down and go up there again.
वहाँ नीचे थी ले जे, नीचे आ झाड़ नहीं नड़े.
हाँ नीचे यहाँ थी ले यहाँ.
हाँ અહીંયા झाड़ नड़े.
અહીંયા ઓલરેડી ઠંડક છે.
Right, so there are these scriptures over here. Can you see all those scriptures? And this is the cave, main one. That is where we came from. So yes, it was very tough, but nice. Something new. I have not seen something like this ever. So it looks nice. So here you can see there is continuous water dropping from above. There is water over here, can you see? So this is like natural mountain water. देखो ये अपने आप ही ओपन करके खा लेता है गाइस.
नहीं टच ना कर नहीं गंदू હોય
એને पाइनएप्पल करता इमली વધારે भाई. सो गाइस इधर वो है एडक्कल का चढ़ने का जगह एंड हियर देयर आर लॉट ऑफ शॉप्स आल्सो सो यू कैन शॉप फ्रॉम हियर एज वेल. दे आर गुड and there are a lot of stuffs to eat also. Unlike the points we visited yesterday, there was nothing to eat as such.
The light was very fast.